Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to build something from Fortnite. I don't personally play the game, it's not really my style of game, but I have some coworkers and a couple of friends that like to play the game, and I love watching a couple of YouTubers play it. It's kind of like PUBG a little bit, I guess, but there's a building aspect to it, which I think is pretty cool. I love the design of some of the weapons in the game. They're very unique. Very stylized, and I thought maybe we can build something from Fortnite, and one of my coworkers suggested that I build the Boogie Bomb from Fortnite. If you don't know what that is, it's a grenade that when detonated, anything in that area has to dance. So why not build a Boogie Bomb? Yeah. Let's get to building. and we are finished. Here is the end result. It turned out okay. There are some things that I kind of wish were a little bit better. Definitely some things I want to point out for you in case you decide to make this. The grenade is very similar to an MK2. This version's a little bit more rounded. And on those grenades, they have these little segments. And in the game, they're very even, very uniform across. Obviously, they're a little bigger in the center, but mine is nowhere near uniform. I didn't take my time when I was cutting in those lines on the little acrylic ball. Definitely, if you're going to attempt to make this, I would suggest take your time, go slow. Another thing that kind of bugs me is this is a little crooked. And I didn't really clean up the hot glue very well on the outside, so it does show a little bit. But other than that, I think it's okay. I really like the way the top turned out. I was looking at trying to make this, and then I was like, maybe there's a shape that I can find that looks similar, and then it kind of hit me. That's the top off a spray can. I'm going to simply cut it off right there at the top ridge and glued it on there. And it looks very similar to what's in game, so it's pretty sweet. My grenade has a remote because it has a lighting feature in it. The Boogie Bomb in game looks like a disco ball, not a solid color. So this particular puck light that I got on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. It has this effect already built in, and I just simply glued it to the bottom of this little ball. Alexa, turn studio lights off.
Okay.
I think it looks pretty cool this way. I definitely had to sand over it to give it a little bit of a diffusion of the light so it wasn't so obvious. But maybe you'll try and make one of these yourself. Alexa, turn studio lights back on.
Okay.
Thanks. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your Boogie Bomb building skills. Boogie Bomb building skills. So much so that they want one for their very own. You can tell them, no. No. They can build it themselves. Tell them to quit being lazy. They can watch this video and learn how to make it and make one for themselves. You can tell them I said so. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably, they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I mean, it's already pulled and activated, so might as well, you know, dance. I wonder if I did that.